Ficus microcarpa is a species of fig tree that is native to Asia. One of the most fascinating aspects of Ficus microcarpa is its aerial roots, which hang down from the branches and can eventually reach the ground, forming additional trunks. This gives the tree its characteristic intricate appearance, resembling a miniature forest. As Ficus microcarpa matures, it develops a unique twisted and gnarled trunk, with an aged and weathered appearance. This adds to its charm and makes it a captivating focal point in any landscape.